Hi, I'm Roger Powell. I was born and raised in Sheboygan, Michigan. I currently reside in Lansing, and I've been a senior system design specialist here at Ayers Basement Systems for the last 9.5 years. As a system design specialist, I meet with homeowners and find out what their concerns are going on in their home, and I design a permanent solution to resolve their problems that they're having in their home. I enjoy helping people preserve their most valuable asset, which is their home, and making their home healthier and happier for them and giving them that true peace of mind. I enjoy golfing, hunting, spending time up at the cottage with my wife and our dog Ghost. Married, we have 5 kids and 11 grandkids. I'm also a licensed builder and been a licensed real estate sales broker for the past 36 years.